So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 3 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic forms of government. So guys, this video will be about autocracy features, merits and demerits. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. We'll go ahead and start with the first question here, which says, a major feature of authoritarianism is that government is A. Consensual, B. Decentralized, C. Personalized, D. Centralized. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's personalized, and that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So question number 2 here says, the type of government in which an individual wields absolute power is called A. Oligarchy, B. Autocracy, C. Plutocracy, D. Theocracy. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's autocracy. That's it for this question. So let's head on to the next and last question for this video, guys. So question number 3 of 3 here, it says, a government that enforces absolute authority in any sphere is A. Democracy, B. Oligarchy, C. Monarchy, D. Dictatorship. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's dictatorship. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.